Hey there, beauty seekers! I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more beauty and wellness tips. Today, I've got something super special for you. Collagen-boosting smoothies perfect for Sahoor. These recipes are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that will help you glow from the inside out. These recipes will help you revitalize your skin from the inside out. Imagine waking up with a natural glow every morning. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the Citrus Collagen Cooler. For this, you'll need 1 orange, half a lemon, a tablespoon of collagen peptides, and a cup of coconut water. Oranges and lemons are packed with vitamin C, which is essential for collagen synthesis. This means they help your body produce more collagen naturally. Just blend everything together until smooth, and you've got a refreshing, skin-loving drink. It's perfect for a quick pick-me-up in the morning. Next, let's talk about the Berry Bone Broth Blast. I know bone broth might sound unusual in a smoothie, but it's a fantastic source of collagen. Combine a cup of mixed berries, half a cup of chilled bone broth, a banana, and a splash of almond milk. Blend it up, and you've got a nutrient-packed smoothie that's great for your skin, and surprisingly delicious. The berries add a burst of flavor while the bone broth provides that collagen boost. Our third recipe is the Tropical Turmeric Tonic. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help maintain healthy skin. You'll need a cup of pineapple chunks, a teaspoon of turmeric, a tablespoon of collagen peptides, and a cup of coconut milk. Blend until smooth and enjoy a tropical treat that supports your skin's elasticity and glow. The pineapple adds a sweet, tangy flavor that pairs perfectly with the earthy turmeric. Now let's chat about why these ingredients are so amazing for your skin. Vitamin C found in citrus fruits is crucial because it helps your body produce collagen. Collagen is the protein that keeps our skin firm and youthful. As we age, our bodies produce less collagen, so it's important to include collagen-boosting foods in our diet. Bone broth and collagen peptides are direct sources of collagen, making it easier for your body to use. They help replenish the collagen that your body loses over time. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these smoothies into your Sahoor routine, and over time, you'll notice a difference in your skin's texture and radiance. Plus, these smoothies are not only good for your skin, but they're also delicious and hydrating, perfect for keeping you energized throughout the day. They make a great addition to your morning routine. So, there you have it. 3 easy, collagen-boosting smoothie recipes that you can whip up in no time. They're perfect for anyone looking to improve their skin health naturally. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beauty and wellness tips. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!